an hour, couple hours. Got our tarp up. Cleaning up camp. We got our mansion set up. Big tent. Big old tent. Big tent. Looking good. Guys are working. Papa's supervising.
No, bring it this way.
Santee Cooper 2019. We're back.
Are you gonna put the table?
Nick, grab that side.
Pack of spaghetti.
Huh.
Their box is right beside you. The popper pack.
All right, first bit of action from the bank. Got some bait for a biggin.
Some monster wall hanger out there.
I think that's I don't know if that's a red breast or a
Look at that thing on his face, ain't it pretty?
little sunfish. All right, it's the first afternoon.
Right. Yep.
We are anchored out on a ledge. We're looking for some little catfish.
That's what you get for playing your phone while trying to catch a fish.
I turned around and
We almost caught a little action on camera, but
no, they took my hook right off.
No,
broke it?
No,
Dude, did you see?
the
It
pole was
almost
bent over and
I heard the drag.
pulled his drag out and
took
they
my
just
whole.
grabbed and yanked and
Broke it.
missed
No, I didn't even. When I yanked it, the hook was already gone.
Alright, so you had
It might. It's probably on camera. Well, that was the first good bite we've had.
I
So
lost everything.
hopefully we got some action coming. Nick playing on his phone. Oh, looks like he's gonna get him. He's got him on.
Hey, guess what?
Play him a little bit.
I'm catching a fish.
That's what happens when you're on your phone. You get bites.
Yeah, just can you text
I'm
me?
on my phone and I'm not getting any bites.
You don't? Is everything okay? Is what I'm asking.
Vince,
Do we need the net?
yeah.
Please.
Where is the net?
Right here.
Nick's got a good one.
That sounds good.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Awesome.
First cat. Nick's the man.
It looks like a white.
No, I
Got
think
specks
that's
on
it.
it?
It's either a channel or a white.
Looks
I don't
like
see enough spots
Looks
to be
like
a
a
channel.
channel from here. Channel.
Channel.
Yeah.
Didn't fight like a channel.
Whites have a bigger, fatter head on them.
It's my Britney Spears hat. Y'all gotta get one.
It's Brittany B.
Y'all might do better if you put them dadgum phones down.
Well, I caught it on video. All right, guys. This is number 3. Actually they started biting and we're getting a few bites.
And this is number 4.
Vince had one break his line. He started it off.
GOA, Grassi Brothers,
Shh, quiet.
coming straight at you.
Where is
Merci.
Where's the
Hey, bait him.
where's the stringer at?
No,
That's
that's
right,
too
that's
big.
right. I see it.
No, it's not.
Here we go.
Number 3. We're on a roll. Like butter.
Butter and toast.
We like butter. We're on a roll. Try to add some comedy in here. My viewers are saying I need to add a little comedy.
Don't worry, you got the star here. Your views will jump before you know it.
We'll put out a banger.
That's where we go.
It's juicy.
Yeah,
It's hot. It's the hotness,
yeah.
juiciness.
Guest
Whoa, calm down.
comes hard.
Okay. Everything I just did, you ruined it. All right. Papa is on the board. Nick's on the board. I'm on the board. Vince has caught a white bass
And a brim.
and the brim.
And I've had one break my line.
That's a nice one. That's a fat one, Pop.
Yes.
Let's get a little view of this stringer here. Oh yeah. We're working on them already.
Talk to me.
This will probably be the smallest cat.
Oh, yeah.
It's a keeper.
Keeper. She a keeper. She's a beaut.
Something's happening here.
It's a beaut.
So here's how this works. This is a 19-foot custom Carolina skiff. Ooh, About to catch another bite on film here. Will he get it though is the question. 90% of the time when you pick your pole up after getting the bite, you do not get the fish. So he's taking the pole into his hand. Let's see what happens. Looked like a machine gun bite. Oh, and he's got it. Will he get it in? Will he get it in, ladies and gentlemen? We've caught the whole thing on camera.
See, it's kind of sketchy.
Actually, got pretty good action going on. It's like a little, about the size Nick just caught, maybe a little smaller. And he got it. It was a little machine gun bite, little channel.
Right in the lip,
He's a
too.
keeper. He's a keeper. So back to how we do this is a custom Carolina skiff, 19 foot. You won't find one with the console on the side like that. Well, at least not from the factory. Papa did the side console himself, custom.
Lynn Wardlaw, also the author of Yako.
How many pole holders we got in here, Papa? 20?
20.
We've got 20 custom rod holders, as you can see. Then around the boat, we have more custom made pole holders for when we're fishing. Get plenty of poles out. We pretty much cover the area pretty well. And I don't know, we got close to 10 on the stringer holding the side there, Vince.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
We got, those little ones sometimes you gotta put it through their gills or something. They'll break their lip. Luckily we didn't lose that one.
Is that the one I just put on there?
Mm-hmm. That
It was on the
white
top.
bass tail.
That was a big one. He was sucking on it.
Should I let him have it?
Now that you missed him, yeah. Should have. But hindsight's 20/20. Where's your Brittany hat? Sun's gone down. Michael Jackson it. There you go.
The white bass, but then big.
GOA, comedy relief. Check the box.
What the heck is this thing fighting so hard? It's a tiny little guy.
He's fat. Look how fat he is.
That's
That's a white. Yeah.
So what you got here? This is a white.
Yeah, it's the same kind of color as the channel, but see how his head's fat?
Well, you have to show us the difference here. I mean,
Also, see, he doesn't have the little black spots on him, and his head's more rounded, not pointed.
water.
Well, the guys put me in the hole today. Can't hardly keep a pole in the water up here. But
That was the fish, I swear.
we finally got a blue, and it's a nice one.
Did you hear that?
I did.
It was the fish.
Was it?
I put my hand down on it and it pooted.
All right, night one's winnings. Got a good gallon.
That's a good
We didn't count them, but we probably had
12, maybe 13.
we had 10 to 15 fish easy.
This
We
is
got,
this is 3 pounds of fillets.
no, that's more than that. That's 5 pounds of fillets easy.
Wasn't gonna overdo it.
That's a lot of fish. And we got a meal and some
Handsome.
for all of us. Keep taking pictures. Little baby geese on the front of the island.
Might want to trim it.
Got up this morning, chilly night. It was chilly last night, but I got up early and doing a little bass fishing, and been fishing for at least an hour, probably not 2 hours. Finally got one. Been looking up shallow, moved out a little bit, caught this nice fat chunk, 2.5 pounder on a brush pile. Zoom speed crawl. Give you guys a little insight on this.
That's what I thought mine was going to be a pretty darn good fish until it got to the boat.
Brittany's got one on.
It's me. Brittany. God.
Hit me, baby, one more time.
It's like good fighting fish.
This is it's about midday. We had our breakfast, we sat around, had some talking, some fellowship. And we're in Goose Cove, and this is number 3 if we can get it in. I caught one, Vince caught one. Well, actually, I take it back. I mean,
Vince, you don't put it in the water.
I did go bass fishing this morning, and bass fishing this morning I caught a bass
Yes.
and a nice catfish. Bass fishing.
This is fun. This is what I'm talking about.
Another channel.
Oops, I did it again. I caught a fish. It played with my bait. Oop. Better stop. GOA.
That's good stuff.
Get out there.
Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification button. You're gonna need a net. It looked like a big boil.
What are you doing, Vince? Are you playing with it? Is he close by? Yeah. Can you bring him close? Can you bring him to the seat? Driver's seat? They're fighting hard during the day. They must get tired at night.
We're catching bigger channels than we were last night.
I see him.
Up to me.
That's a white. Right there.
No, that's the channel.
Big old fat head.
Might be a bullhead.
No, it's a channel.
Got
He's
spots
got,
on
he got blue lips like that.
Just a big channel.
Old blue gum.
Old blue gum.
We're right by this osprey nest that's down real low. We've never really looked inside of one that was this low. See if there's any babies in there. I hear them. I think, yep, babies.
One? Only one.
I want to feed them a shrimp.
Shoot him a squirrel.
Yep. There it is. Sticking his head up. See?
Yeah, I see him. Let's get Vince to swim over there to it.
Hey, no.
What you got, Vince?
I'm not sure yet. Ain't seen nothing.
You better watch the other line.
I got it already.
He's in it.
And the anchor is right there.
Uh-oh. You know, wait till him. Is somebody gonna get the,
Is that what you need?
right here, Nick? Right here?
Another channel.
Daniel, is your anchor line tight?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Give us some slack.
It's all the way at the end of the rope.
Papa, we're trying to fish. If we do that,
Afternoon number 2. We got an extra person with us. Got the Grand Meiji. Trying to get her a fish. It's a lot warmer this afternoon. Vince just missed a bite.
can I try to video, Daniel?
I'm gonna try to, but
Every time he turns the camera on it.
so it happens this is a really slow one. Oh, that was a bite.
That was definitely a
Maybe it's just the time. Just had to be here at the right time. Don't kill him with it.
Got him.
You got him?
Yeah.
think. Unless he's swimming towards me. Yeah, I get it.
Need a
Nick,
net?
You wanna grab the net? Oh,
Did you think about maybe letting your mom catch him?
I didn't.
Didn't even think about it. He's a nice guy.
Well, it was kind of a thing of the moment.
Yeah.
Stop being a D-head.
I got my 3 poles here that I needed.
Oh,
This is
not a bad
sure it's a channel.
Blue or channel?
Channel.
I should have got the net. He was videoing, Daniel was video, and
He's on your other line now. He's on this
Bring him
line.
on the other side of this red pole.
Here, I'll help you. Just stay right there. There you go.
Turtle.
Oh, it's a turtle.
Yep, that's the way he was.
And the mussel. Soft shell turtle and a mussel. Live one.
What should I do with him?
Flop him in the boat, let
Don't-
Vince handle him. He loves turtles.
Net him.
Just put them up the edge
Net,
of the boat,
nets.
and they'll cut the hook.
I haven't seen a soft shell in a while.
Come on.
That's good eating.
Oh, bless his little heart.
Watch your foot behind you.
He's probably been on there a while. Sitting there watching that.
I don't see any grass on it. That's a good sign.
No.
It's right there.
Oh, we're using it for bait. Papa, what you got to say? Yeah, when it's pulling like that, it's not that big.
No, he was a little bit of a fight.
That's like a little mini shark.
Mini shark.
All right, well, maybe they're just now starting to bite.
15, 16, 15,
All right,
16.
Vince, you want to get the net or?
I'm sorry, I'm not doing anything. Stop reeling, stop reeling.
Yeah, mama.
Finally,
Hold that now.
got one up front.
Wow.
I can't hold anything with this arm.
What's wrong with you? Too many babies? How do you hold babies?
I got tendon. I think I got.
You can hold
tennis elbow.
3 babies in that one arm, but you can't hold a fish.
Well, I can hold it with my whole. It's the grip and the big stump, and Papa dove in to try and get it.
We need to relive that.
That would be fun. I think this is where you jumped out the truck twice. Or jumped out the boat twice here, haven't you?
I thought we might have been in that little circle.
Well,
over there.
in this area.
Yeah. I don't know about twice. I definitely remember once.
I mean, you've been out the boat a handful of times.
It's fun.
Vince
So,
is usually the one that likes to swim down to the stumps. And
Yeah, wrong again. So we just had a pole fly off, break the rod holder, and then one of my poles was getting a bite. Set the hook. We had the pole.
You set the hook into the fish that stole the other pole.
how's your hook been out, Nick?
That's Vince's. It's probably because it just caught that pole.
Where's the net?
It wouldn't have been like that.
This hook's not bent. I'm looking at the hook. It's clean.
Oh.
Wait a minute, I don't want to lose him after all this.
Oh, that's a big one, Nick.
Oh, you got drag?
Hand me the phone.
My line's right here.
Mom, video off of Vince's phone. Keep it down in the water.
This is
Might want to loosen the drag.
unbelievable catch. First thing he did was he broke the rod
That's
holder.
a big old blue, Papa. You gotta come closer, Papa.
Here
Back
comes
up.
the blue.
There we go.
Yeah, baby.
Mom, turn the phone upwards. All right, afternoon 2. Not quite as many as yesterday, but Papa got the biggest so far.
Good grief, look how big he is.
Got a nice big blue. And we still got a good bit of fish and working on a good catfish dinner. A full moon tonight.
Vince, did I bring a towel? I didn't bring a towel.
Get the net for Dad.
Oh.
Your phone is where it can slide in the water too.
As big as what we think it is unless it's swimming to the
All right, tighten your drag up now.
You there, Chris? Keep him away from the anchor rope. Keep him away from the anchor rope.
Did a mammoth just get off?
Yeah, I had a massive one.
On my pole. Both my poles just went nothing. This is mine. Who's this?
That's mine. Don't haul him too big.
You don't need any milk or eggs or bread, nothing.
We'll probably not. I'll text you.
Might need some bread.
Hang it. Bye, Chris. We'll call you. We got 9 fish on. Might be a stingray.
Have we seen it? We seen it?
Oh, I see. You saw something. I saw something. Oh, he's biggin'. Might be a blue.
It's a blue.
I think it's a channel.
Blues fight, hit hard like that. This is a big one.
That's a, get that anchor rope.
That's a blue.
All right, go ahead.
Woo-wee.
Killed a copperhead, big copperhead last night right here in the middle of camp. Open up the tube. Yesterday afternoon late, we had all the wives and kids show up with dogs, and Chelsea and Chris and little Chucky, Chancey. River and all the kids out there kayaking. River, you're about to be in trouble.
Wait a minute, Daddy, don't go, Daddy.
Pull it over his head.
You gonna hit me with the paddle?
River, you want to go tubing?
Stop, there's not enough room.
You want to go tubing?
Get on, Allie.
You're gonna make it sing.
Hmm?
Mezak, and Riley got on it already.
How about Grady? What's he looking for? An alligator? Some kayakers out there.
Ha! I'll kill you.
Grady, come back.
It's stinking. This is not a good idea.
Allie, what are you doing?
The final afternoon, split up in 2 boats. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 poles out. Trying to catch the last little bit of catfish. It always seems to get slower. As the weekend goes on. Not even sure we've caught one today. We had fish tonight and it was good. Should have got video of that.
This is my computer. Well, I'm live.
Allie, you can come right, wipe it on my shirt.
Right here.
Are you gonna go swimming? Yay. And I'm going swimming.
It's the dish boy. Hey, dish boy.